G'day folks, just a little quickie update. Just let you know I'm still here. Been rather busy lately, which is cool, and probably going to get busier in the near future given my job changeover is coming up. Probably a bit of freelance work as well, which would be great fun. Yeah, trying to get back into making videos. I mean, we've had a bit of a stoppage while we clean up and rearrange the shop. Julian had this great idea of reshuffling the benches and things, which we've done. Yeah, it works a lot better that way. I've just been busy having other people come over and work on their stuff and servicing cars and that sort of thing. And there's 4 tyres down there that have to go on Julian's dad's car. He wanted cheap tyres and didn't mind me fitting them. That's fine. I've done squillions of tyres in the past. It's just a matter of getting a alignment and balance done immediately after, and we're all good. So I don't own a balancer yet, and I know there's some really cheap used ones out there, but I've been told they're usually abused and neglected and out of calibration, so you're better off not wasting money on a used one. Just find a cheap new one. But that's later on when I've got a bigger shop. I don't have room for a balancer at the moment. Anyway, I don't do enough tyres to warrant one anyway. I'd rather just take a car in for a balance and alignment after doing it. Because you generally do an alignment when you do new tyres anyway, at least you're supposed to. So yeah, this side of the shop's clear, all nice and happy. Still got boxes of stuff to rearrange and condense down, but the big pile down there is gone. Just various bits and pieces to do. Julian picked this thing up recently, so definitely got a double spring and, well, it's already been 12 volt battery modded, but definitely got a double spring the thing. De-restrict it, get it pumping out darts at like 200 plus feet a second, which we can prove actually. I've got a ballistics chronograph, so we've been doing a bit of that, and I've had darts up to like almost 800 feet a second out of lengths of orange power conduit. You get the 20mm Nerf mega darts and put them down a piece of the orange 25mm power conduit, and they come out with some authority. Obviously, being as light and as flat-nosed as they are, they drop velocity very quickly, but straight out of the tube they're doing nearly 800 feet a second, just with a little burst of compressed air, just a tiny little tank with a sprinkler valve on it. Poof! Out they come with some ridiculous speed. Like, you would not want to get hit by one at close range. But that design could be scaled down and sort of deregulated a little bit, or regulated a little bit, to make a really neat sort of long-range Nerf sniper. Sort of refit one of the big sniper-style Nerf guns with a rapid release valve, and a small tank, either CO2 fed or just a tethered compressed air system, just using a urethane line connected to it, and a tank on your back or something like that, and almost bring it up to sort of like paintball level of velocities at close range. Don't know. I'll have to check the legality of that sort of thing. I mean, it's still a Nerf gun, but at the end of the day, if it's easily modified to drop metal projectiles or things into it, becomes an issue. So all that sort of stuff's sort of a forbidden item around here, because people do stupid shit with them, like shooting at cars and everything else, and then they get them banned. That's basically what happened to spud guns and things, but that's a good line to tether them up with. It's just a high pressure polyurethane, like 150 psi polyurethane hose, and it works quite well for little portable projects. But anyway, that's coming up soon. We'll do a little comparison test between Nerf darts. I've got some spongy, sort of short range practice golf balls, polyurethane foam golf balls, these little guys. See how fast we can get them going. Try some ping pong balls, gumballs. No, not gumballs. Those things go through TVs. They're dangerous. Don't shoot gumballs at things. Yeah, so I've had a bit of fun recently, a lot of different projects and things, big clean up. And it's just generally looking better out here now. It's getting clearer. I can't pan the camera around because there's too much important stuff in the background that I can't show, but we'll do a walk around one day when I can sort of hide and edit things out. Yeah, so that's all good. Still around, still alive, still trying to get into making videos. It's just having crippling internet is the worst thing. Trying to upload and then you can't go inside and watch Netflix or anything. It's just basically dead once I start uploading. Yet I can do all kinds of other different things to different servers and it's fine. It's like it's just a Google YouTube thing. It's driving me nuts. Definitely got to work something else out about that. Definitely got to get a second phone line in and start taking advantage of that router split. Actually, that's the most important thing. But the thing is, it's another $80 a month on my plan, so which isn't too bad considering the amount of money I just spent on junk and all that kind of stuff. I mean, now that I'm doing sport shooting and stuff more often, $80 is just one carton of like 4570s. That's just the standard Remington 300 grain 4570s. It's $80 a packet of 20. So, yeah, I guess I could spend a little bit less on toys and stuff and just get another DSL connection and keep uploading. I'll see how that goes, at least as far as getting the line connected. If there's no reserved line that I can even have connected, I'm boned. That's what I've got to check next, is get Telstra to confirm that there's a reserve line that I can actually have connected to my house. If there's nothing available for me at all, there's nothing I can do. So it's just a matter of smashing the videos down to like 240p compression and smashing them up really quick, or trying to get the time to get out here and upload them during the week or whatever, which is a hassle, and I can't leave that machine running during the day without air conditioning on it on hot days. Because it's running a 970 in its position, I can't do that, so I need another machine running to do the uploading, and then it just gets too hard. So anyway, yeah, I don't want it to be too hard. I want it to be easy on my end, and I want it to be easy on your end, watching and supporting videos and stuff like that. So I don't know. I'm going to try and do a Ramblotron while I'm playing Fallout 4. Just a little bit of a wasteland walk around and try and rattle some stuff off. I might even see about streaming it straight to YouTube or something. Make it like 2 hours long. Try and cover a few things, because I know we wanted to do a lot of people have been asking me what it's like being a shooter in Australia and that sort of stuff, just sending me PMs about what it's like, and I'd like to detail a few things about the whole licensing process and all that sort of stuff, because it's not as bad as people think it is, especially over in the States. They think guns are all completely banned here, which is complete and utter bullshit. I mean, no, you can't go down the street and just buy a semi-auto AR-15 with a simple background check. That's cool. I don't care, because a lot of the bad guys can't get them that way. But there's tons of different things you can get. I can buy a straight pull bolt action AR, no problem. I just can't run it semi-automatic, but I can dress it up to look like the real deal. No problem. So yeah, we'll go into that and probably in like a Fallout 4 walkthrough, or not a walkthrough, just a wasteland walk around. Just what you have to go to get your license and that sort of stuff. Mind you, there are other videos out there like that anyway. So that's all for now, and thanks for watching.